subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Indian smartphone maker Micromax has launched its new budget smartphone in India called Micromax In2B, and it is the successor of earlier launched In1B smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Micromax In2B features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio and 89% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Uni-SoC T610 chipset, paired with 4 or 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Micromax In2B supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 5MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. As per the software, the handset runs on stock Android 11 out of the box, and it packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 10W charging, and the company claims to offer up to 160 hours of music playback, 50 hours of talk time, 20 hours of web browsing, and up to 15 hours of video streaming. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.31 by 75.68 by 8.63mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Micromax In2B has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 7,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 8,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from August 6th in black, blue and green color options. So what do you guys think of this Micromax In2B smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.